This is the employee elevator at the St. Clair Hospital Garage in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. It's also an 80s Westinghouse with EPCO SSL. This one does not have a working bell at all, unlike the other one, which has a cowbell, broken bell. This one's identical, except C is the main level, put on A, and the bell doesn't work at all. Here, go down. Interesting to see like a garage with an employee elevator. Or a service elevator. It's identical to the other one. Here at A. Someone at the elevator or someone having engine issues? That's the entrance for Cameron, I believe. Look up to F. Oh, and every level. That was like on viscosity controls on the first year ago. This one definitely does not run as good as the other one. This one like shakes out the whole shaft. Back down to C. Here you from. Basic stainless steel cab. Identical to the other one, it's car 7. I think that used to be like level D or E to hospital or something. I know it's not there anymore. This one doesn't have the director either. I can see. Yeah, every level again. I suppose that's gonna. Yeah, this one has leveling issues.